Hi, welcome to another Polish language lesson. Today we will cover grammatical gender of nouns. Basically, the nouns in Polish language are divided into three main groups, and depending on which group they belong to, they behave slightly differently in the language. The nouns can be either masculine, feminine or neuter. In Polish we call it rodzaj męski, rodzaj żeński and rodzaj nijaki. And today I will give you a few simple rules that will allow you to determine the gender of a noun. But why do we learn this? Let me give you an example. In English language, adjectives do not change. You can see here an adjective pretty. It is always the same. Pretty car, pretty sister, pretty eye. However, in Polish language, the adjectives do change depending on the nouns they describe. We have ładny when the noun is masculine, ładna when it is feminine, and ładne when it's neuter. In a nutshell, if you know the grammatical gender of the Polish noun, you will speak better Polish. Okay, let's start with feminine nouns. If the last letter of the word is A, that means it is a feminine noun. So here we can see four words: siostra, książka, herbata, żyrafa. They all end up with the letter A, therefore they are feminine nouns. We've got another simple rule to identify neuter nouns. If the word finishes with letter O, that means it is a neuter noun. So here we have words drzewo, jajko, oko, piwo. They all finish with letter O, therefore they're neuter nouns. Okay, I've got good news for you. All the other nouns should be masculine. If they do not finish with letter A or O, they should be masculine. They usually finish with a consonant. You can remember that. So here we've got dom, telewizor, samochód I ołówek. So as you can see, they all end up with consonants. Therefore, there are masculine nouns. I will not cover all the exceptions and the rules will be correct in 95% of cases, but I need to mention about this. Please have a look at these four words: tata, sprzedawca, poeta I mężczyzna. They all finish with letter A, and if you follow rule number 1, you would say that they're feminine nouns, but of course they're not, because their meaning actually signifies male persons. So think about this when you see a noun, follow the rules, but if it's clearly somebody male or female, they would go to masculine or feminine group. We'll finish with a small challenge for you. Your task is to determine the grammatical gender of a noun. So here we've got four words: kubek, pióro, telefon, łyżka. You can pause the video, think about the grammatical gender of these words, and I will show you the solution in a moment. Okay, I hope you got it right. Kubek is a masculine noun because it finishes with K, which is a consonant. Pióro is neuter, the last letter is O. Telefon is masculine because N, the last letter, is a consonant. And łyżka is a feminine noun because the last letter is A. Okay, final challenge. Four words: okno, rower, czapka and dentysta. Think about their grammatical genders. Okno, it finishes with letter O, therefore it's a neuter noun. Rower, the last letter is R, consonant, and this is a masculine noun. Czapka, that's a feminine noun because the last letter is A. And the last one is a bit tricky. It finishes with A, however, it is a masculine noun because this is a person, this is a male dentist. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for today. I hope you liked it and I will see you in another lesson.